Hello my dear student, welcome to Introduction to Personal Finance. I'm Ruizhi Chen, your instructor of this semester. In this class, you will learn basically every aspect of personal finance. In this video, I will help you to get started. The first thing you may want to do is to check the syllabus in the blackboard. This is a course contract between you and me. Here I will talk a little bit about this syllabus. You will need to purchase a textbook for this class. You can choose either the physical copy or the digital copy. Be alert that you will need the digital access to complete the flashcard assignments in this class. The digital access will count with your textbook. I believe the school bookstore offers both the digital copies and the physical copies. You may also choose to purchase a digital copy in the blackboard of this course. In the previous semesters, this was the cheapest way to obtain the textbook. I think it will be the same for this semester, but it is not guaranteed. For more information, please check this link in the homepage of this course. You will also need a financial calculator. We will teach BA2 Plus in this class. There are a normal BA2 Plus and a professional BA2 Plus. For the purpose of this class, either one works just fine. You will need to use the textbook and the calculator for Unit 1, so please get them as soon as possible. The publisher of the textbook does not offer free chapters, but we do manage to get a temporary web-based financial calculator in the blackboard. Remember that this web-based calculator is for temporary use only. It is incredibly slow to use it. You will not have enough time to complete the quizzes and exams using this temporary calculator. As a result, please get your textbook and financial calculator as soon as possible. There are 1,000 points in total in this class. 7% for participation questions, 7% for flashcard assignments, 21% for projects, 7% for quizzes, and 58% for exams. Let's take a look at what you will need to do for each unit. You will need to go over everything in each unit folder. The unit folders can be found by clicking the course content link in the navigation menu. We will take Unit 1 as an example here. You will start with the readings and videos. The readings and the videos are both required material in this class, even though some of this material may seem overlapped. You need to read and watch everything in the readings and videos folders for each unit. Then you complete the participation questions, flashcard assignments, project, and quiz. There is a course schedule for this class, and you can find it in the navigation menu as shown in the picture. All the open days and due days for the assignments and tests are shown in the schedule. I would recommend you print this schedule out and keep it handy so that you will not miss any assignments or tests. No late assignments will be accepted in this class unless you have a university acceptable excuse. For each unit, the participation questions will open by its open date. The link for the unit project will appear by its open date or after you have at least one attempt for the participation questions, whichever is earlier. Similarly, the quiz will open by its open date or after you submit your project. The next unit folder will open after you complete the previous unit quiz, and you can start working on readings, videos, and flashcard assignments for the next unit. If there is an exam after this unit, the next unit folder will only open after you complete the exam or by its open date, whichever is earlier. The open days for the exams are also shown in the schedule. All of these assignments and tests will be due by its due dates. Now, good news. You have already got 140 points in this class. 70 points are for the participation questions and 70 points are for the flashcard assignments. Nevertheless, you need to keep them or you will lose them. You have unlimited attempts for the flashcard assignments. But you will need to get 100% in each flashcard assignment in order to keep that 70 points given in the beginning of this semester. If you cannot get 100% in one flashcard assignment, 5 points will be deducted from that 70 points given in the beginning of this semester. Even if you score 99% in one flashcard assignment, it is not 100%, so you will lose 5 points for that. There are 14 flashcard assignments in this class. Similarly, for participation questions, you have unlimited attempts and you should get 100% in each of these participation questions. Every time you miss, you lost 10 points. There are 7 participation questions in this class. Besides all these regular assignments and tests, I will also offer 100 points of extra credit, which is equivalent to 10% of your total grade. I strongly recommend you take all these extra credit opportunities, as this is the only chance for you to boost up your grade. I will not curve your grades or round up your grades for any reasons besides extra credits. Consider these extra credit assignments as insurance. Take these extra credit opportunities to ensure your grade. You can find the extra credit schedule and ongoing extra credit assignments in the extra credit opportunities folder on the course homepage. We will have extra credit starting in Unit 0, so I would suggest you check this extra credit now. We will have extra credit survey at the beginning of each unit and have extra credit discussion before the end of each unit. Also, if you complete everything in Unit 0, you will be awarded some other extra credits. We have an online classroom and unit discussions in the class. You can find them on the navigation menu as shown in the picture. In the online classroom, you can ask some general questions about the class. I will also post the overview and feedback for each unit in the online classroom during this semester. For unit-specific questions, I encourage you to ask them in the unit discussion. Start working on your participation questions, flashcard assignments, and project early. On one hand, you will not miss these assignments if you start early. On the other hand, you can ask questions in the unit discussions and discuss them with your classmates and me. You are also encouraged to discuss with your classmates and answer your classmates' questions. I will also review the posters every day and join in your discussion. If you have any questions about the readings, videos, and assignments, especially for the project, I prefer you to ask them in the unit discussion than sending me an email, so that everyone in this class can join the discussion and we can learn from each other. We will also have extra credit discussions for each unit in the unit discussion. If you want to send me an email, please initiate your email through Blackboard. You can find the link to send email in Contact Instructor link on the navigation menu. Sending email through Blackboard helps me to organize your email and get back to you sooner. This is important because I am receiving thousands of emails every day. You will receive my response in your TTU email box, and then you can directly reply to my response email. When you are initiating the email in Blackboard, you will find that the email is sending to another 2 persons. This is completely normal. Just go ahead and send it. You can also find my office hours and my office roll number in the Contact Instructor link. You are welcome to visit me during my office hour or by appointments. If you need accommodation for disability, please first contact Student Disability Service and then send me an email via Blackboard or visit me during my office hours. I will then make accommodation for you. According to the university regulation, the instructor cannot provide any accommodation before the student contacts the instructor, so it is important for you to contact me. Now, here are some homework for you. Read the syllabus. Complete everything in the Unit 0 folder as soon as possible. Check extra credits for Unit 0 in the extra credits folder. Buy the textbook and the financial calculator. Get familiar with course blackboard. Print and read the course schedule, and read the extra credit schedule. Notice that Unit 0 will be a little bit different than the other units, and it's designed for you to get familiar with Blackboard. I'm sure you will learn tons of knowledge about financial planning in this class. If you have any questions, please ask them in the unit discussion or the online classroom, or just send me an email. We will have a great semester. Thank you.